What's up? This is your captain, Ice123, here with a sword unboxing. It's been a while since I've actually done. Oh, it's been a year actually since I've done one. But I obviously got some money from my birthday, which was on the 19th, so I got myself a sword, and I'm going to be opening this with my rusty box cuddle. Now honestly, this should be called a tape cuddle because you don't really cut the box. You cut you cut the tape that's on the box. Okay, so there's a box inside of another box, and if you couldn't tell, I got this. I bought the sword from Amazon. See? Amazon. So, yeah. Anyway, here's the box that the actual sword is in. Now this sword costed like $41.95. That's pretty that's not even the most expensive sword that I've ever actually bought. Joshua's Shikai Sugyo no Kotawari obviously costed a lot more than that for very obvious reasons. And okay, it's in a bag, which is unusual, but I shouldn't say it's unusual, because it shouldn't be. Because this should be the standard for all swords. Okay, so we have the bag. Okay. Now I should say this one thing that yeah, this is a secondary blade that comes with the actual sword itself. It fell out, which is not really a good. I mean, it's not a good sign, but it's also not a bad sign. But yeah, I should actually, I should mention that this sword is not a Bleach Zanpakuto, because obviously there's no sword that's in Bleach that looks like this. None. And there's no Zanpakuto that has a secondary blade in the actual hilt, because they don't need it. But I got this sword because I was drawn to it. I don't know why, but I was drawn to the sword, and oh, look at that. set that right there. Take out my cloth. Now get this off of here. Oh, that is beautiful. Yeah, that's sharp. That is really sharp. Damn it, I need that. But yeah, notice I'm not actually touching the blade with my hand. Never want to do that. There's a fuller in the blade. You see the Hamon line? This is just beautiful. The tip is very oh, look at that. Look at that. That is beautiful. Oh my god, that is beautiful. Oh my god. Wow. And if you've noticed that there is no guard on this sword. And we have the secondary blade, and I shouldn't have tossed this, but because I still need it. See, even when with the secondary blade, I'm not touching it with my actual hand. The only part that's touching my hand is the actual handle. Now, I know I've said this with my other sword unboxings. I'm gonna say it again, and I'm gonna repeat myself until my voice goes hoarse. If you plan on buying a sword, whether it's a Bleach replica or your own personal sword, you know, they are dangerous weapons. They're obviously not like a gun. If anything, they're worse. Because as soon as you take the sword out of its sheath, it is ready to hurt someone. It's ready to maim and or kill. So as soon as you take it out of the sheath, it is ready to do battle. So do not buy a sword so lightly. You know that you're getting a very dangerous weapon, and I just noticed that this little design at the end, and you have these things. I can't place the name for things because I should know it, but yeah, for like a 41.95 purchase, this is a good buy. Definitely a good buy. See, I'm not even touching my hand because I just can't get enough of this. This is awesome. It's got that classic carved shape. That is just awesome, and I'm sorry for any of you who are wearing headphones because a jackass just rode by on his motorcycle. Yeah, sorry about that. But I am very happy with this purchase. Very happy. I also have two Bleach mangas coming. Don't know when exactly they're gonna be here, but yeah, I'm just very happy with this sword. I can't get enough of it. I keep looking at it, and it's just awesome. I love this thing. Oh my god, I'm so glad I got it. I can't get enough of it. Like, it is so, just such a beautiful blade. You know, I'm so happy. So happy. But yeah. Okay, I'm gonna stop rambling. That's all that I have to say for this actual video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share my channel with your friends. This is your captain, Ice Titan 123, signing out. Peace.